Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winn and you are tuned into Cooking with Winn. Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how I make air fry spare ribs. So this is the spare ribs I have in here already mixed with my seasoning, and these are the seasoning that I use to season my spare ribs. So I added seasoned salt, black pepper, parsley flakes, adobo all purpose seasoning, paprika, basil leaf, garlic powder, and onion powder. You can mix the seasoning up, okay? You can use any seasoning of your choice. This is just what I prefer, and that's what I'm using. So I added a little bit of everything in here, and I just mix it. So first thing, I'm gonna steam my spare ribs before adding it to my air fryer. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I already have water on here from washing the spare ribs. I like to steam it before air frying it because I want to soften it a little bit so it don't be too hard when I'm chewing on it after air frying it. But yeah guys, I have my spare ribs in here or seasoned. I'm gonna add in water and then steam it for 10 minutes. If you want to use the baby back ribs, you can go ahead and use that, but I'm going to be using the spare ribs today. Alright, so just go ahead and turn this around. Just going to go ahead and add 1/3 cup of water. I'm going to just let it cook for a few minutes, and once it's ready, I'll be adding it to my air fryer. If you don't want to steam it, or if you don't want to cook it before air frying it, you can just go ahead and season it and then add it straight to your air fryer. I like to make sure my meat is a little soft before air frying it because I don't want the meat to be hard, so I like to cook it for it to soften a little bit before air frying it. But yeah guys, I'm going to let this cook for 10 minutes, and once it's ready, I'll be air frying it. Alright guys, so my spare ribs is all done. I'll go ahead and remove it from the pot, let it cool for a few minutes, and then I'll be air frying it. Alright guys, so this is the spare ribs, and this is the air fryer I'm going to be using today. I'll just take this out. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to add this down here. I'm just going to spray it with some food spray so the spare ribs don't stick to it. I'm going to be using my pan food spray. Alright y'all, so I have my rag all spray. I'll just add my spare ribs to the rack. So I have my spare ribs in here. I'm gonna put this in. So I'm gonna press this to turn it on. I'll set it to 400 degrees and I'll set my timer to 15 minutes. You can either air fry or you can roast, alright? You can reheat or you can dehydrate it, but I'm gonna be air frying it, so I'll just press start and let it do its thing. I'm gonna do one batch with air fry and then I'll do the other batch with roast so we can see the difference. I'm gonna just let it do its thing, and once it's ready, I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, so let's check on this. Ooh. So you wanna go ahead and turn your spare ribs around. Make sure you keep an eye on it so it don't burn. I'm gonna put it in there for like 4 more minutes and then I'll be taking it out. So I said I was gonna keep it in there for 4 more minutes. I actually did not. I kept it for a few seconds because from looking at it, it looks ready, so I don't want it completely dry. I'm just gonna pick it up. See this guys? Ooh. And I'm gonna put the rest of it in here, but this time around I'm gonna be doing it on roast so we can see which one better, the air fryer or the roast. I'm gonna be doing it for 10 minutes instead of 15 minutes. So I have the timer set up for 10 minutes and I have it on roast, and I'm just gonna press start. Alright guys, so I'm gonna check on this. I'm just gonna pause it for a few minutes. I'm just gonna turn it around. Now I'll put it back in and finish it up. Alright, so let's check on this. Well, I think this is perfectly fine. I'm not going any longer than this. So basically I use 6 minutes to roast this. I use 8 minutes to air fry the first batch. So do not use 15 minutes to air fry, okay? So if you pre-cooked it before air frying it, use 8 minutes instead of 15 minutes. If you pre-cooked it before roasting it in the air fryer, use 6 minutes instead of 10 minutes. But if you didn't pre-cook it, if you just season it and then went ahead and air fry it straight, you can do it for 15 minutes. Alright guys, so this is the air fry spare ribs. This batch over here I did it on roast, and then this batch I did it on air fry. So I cannot really tell the difference between them, but I guess they're both almost the same. You can have this with ketchup if you're one of those who eat your spare ribs with ketchup, or you can have it with barbecue sauce. But whatever sauce you want to have it with, go ahead and do that, okay? Guys, don't it look like grilled spare ribs? So if you want to eat grilled spare ribs, you don't have a grilled spare ribs, I guess you can go ahead and use the air fryer, which is going to give you almost the same thing. This definitely looks like grilled spare ribs. It's just missing the marks to me. But yeah guys, this is it. I'm going to go ahead and plate this with rice, and I'll show you guys the plating. Okay, so this is the air fry spare ribs. That's the finished product, and this is my seasoned rice. But yes guys, so this is the finished product, and it looks really good. I'm gonna be having it with barbecue sauce. So I have my barbecue sauce here. I'm just gonna pour a little bit on the side just to have it on the ribs. You can just dip it in the sauce in there. Well guys, this is really good. Like, it turned out so good. I didn't even think it was gonna turn out this good, but this is gonna be my new favorite way to make my spare ribs. Even though my peanut butter spare rib is still my #1 favorite, but this is gonna be another favorite. But yes guys, so this is it, y'all. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, like and share with your friends and family, and leave me a comment if you have any question or concern. Do not forget to check out my other YouTube channel. It's called All Things Winn. Subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.